Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a wish list on the Notino app. So if you open the app and you search for some products, for example this eyeshadow palette, on the top right corner of the photo you can see this heart-shaped icon. If you like something, you can tap on it and you add it to your wish list. But if you open it, you would like to know more details about this product, you open it and you read it and then you like it, then you can see here next to the name on the right side there is also this heart-shaped icon. If you tap on it, then it will automatically add to your favorites list. And on the bottom, almost the right corner, you can see here a heart-shaped icon. If you tap on it, then here are the products that you added, and here will they remain till they are on stock. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.